Suze Orman, a renowned financial expert, has been advocating for financial freedom and great wealth for individuals for years. Through her various platforms, she has highlighted the importance of earning income, but more importantly, converting earned income into passive and portfolio income. According to Suze, a person's ability or skill to convert earned income into passive and portfolio income is the key to achieving financial freedom and attaining great wealth. In today's world, where people are constantly seeking ways to increase their wealth and live a more financially comfortable life, understanding the concept of earning and converting income is crucial. Suze Orman's advice on the importance of passive and portfolio income has resonated with many, and it has become a popular topic of discussion in the finance world. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of financial freedom and achieve great wealth? Join me in this exciting exploration of Suze Orman's revolutionary approach to wealth building. Discover the power of earning passive and portfolio income, and how you can leverage these concepts to transform your financial journey. Get ready to take control of your finances and unleash your full potential for success. 1. Turn your income into wealth. Suze Orman, a renowned financial expert, once said that the key to financial freedom and great wealth is a person's ability or skill to convert earned income into passive income and/or portfolio income. This statement holds true for anyone who wants to achieve financial security and independence. Turning your income into wealth is not an easy feat, but it is possible with the right mindset and strategies. It requires discipline, patience, and a willingness to learn and take calculated risks. You have to be willing to delay gratification and make sacrifices in the short term to reap the benefits in the long term. It's not enough to just earn a good income. You have to know how to make that income work for you. So, take charge of your financial future today and start turning your income into wealth. 2. Create passive income streams. Creating passive income streams is one of the most powerful ways to achieve financial freedom and wealth. With passive income, you can earn money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with loved ones. The beauty of passive income is that it requires upfront effort and investment, but once it's set up, it can continue to generate income for years to come. Imagine having multiple streams of passive income that provide a steady stream of cash flow, even if you're not actively working. It's not a fantasy. It's a reality that you can achieve with the right mindset, strategy, and action plan. So, take action today and start creating your own passive income streams. Your financial future will thank you for it. 3. Invest in your financial future. Investing in your financial future is one of the most important steps you can take towards achieving financial freedom and building great wealth. This means that in order to achieve financial security, it's essential to focus on not just earning money, but also on creating passive income streams and building a diversified investment portfolio. By investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets, you can create a steady stream of passive income that can help you achieve your long-term financial goals and enjoy a more secure and prosperous future. Remember, the key to success is to start early. Educate yourself about different investment options and be patient and disciplined in your approach. With the right mindset and a commitment to long-term planning, you can build a brighter financial future for yourself and your loved ones. 4. Build a diversified portfolio. Building a diversified portfolio is one of the most effective ways to achieve financial freedom and great wealth. By investing in a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities, you can minimize your risk and maximize your returns. Not only does diversification help you weather market volatility, but it also allows you to take advantage of different investment opportunities that may arise over time. By staying disciplined and focused on your long-term goals, you can build a diversified portfolio that generates passive income and sets you on the path to financial freedom. So start today and take control of your financial future. 5. Achieve financial freedom and abundance. Achieving financial freedom and abundance is a dream that we all aspire to. However, it can often feel like an unattainable goal, especially when bills and expenses seem to pile up faster than we can keep up. But the truth is, financial freedom is within our reach. This means that we need to start thinking beyond just earning a paycheck and start investing in assets that generate income on their own. It may seem daunting at first, but with the right mindset and knowledge, we can all achieve financial freedom and abundance. So, start taking steps towards investing in passive income streams and building a portfolio that will generate wealth for years to come. The road to financial freedom may be long, but the rewards are truly priceless. In conclusion, Suze Orman's statement is a reminder that we all have the ability to achieve financial freedom and great wealth. It's about developing the necessary skills to convert our earned income into passive income and/or portfolio income. It may require some hard work, discipline, and a willingness to learn, but it's achievable. So, let's take the first step towards our financial goals, and with determination and perseverance, we can create a life of abundance and security. Remember, our financial future is in our hands, and it's up to us to make it a bright one.